Good day, everyone. So today we are back again on site at our 7-bedroom mansion, and I thought it would be good to give you a quick update on progress since the last time that we did our tour of the property. So we've completed the self-supporting staircase linked directly to the wall structure. Now if you look closely, we've used high tensile iron rods to support the floating staircase. Okay, so just as you step up on the upper deck, this will be a circulation area, and over here right in front of us will be the private study. Next, as I turn left, ahead of us will be a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. So from the upper deck, you can look down into the living room. It's early morning here, and you can actually still get a very good look at the lovely views all around. At this point, the plumber and electrician have finished all their works for the concrete mixture to be poured in place. So I'm going to just take a closer look. Here are some of the pipe work for the plumber, and you can also see the 16 mm iron rods for the beams that have been neatly put in place. And here are some of the electrical pipe works. So just giving you a close-up look at the excellent work done by the steel benders. And just ahead you can see the pipe work for the ensuite bathroom. This is the pipe work that will serve the bathroom. And you can see a close-up look of the excellent work by the steel benders. Iron rods interwoven, making sure that everything is done properly before the concrete mixture is poured out. So we're going to walk to the other section, where to my immediate right would house the kitchenette, and going into my left will be the cinema room. And from the cinema room you'd walk down a corridor leading you back to the private study with a washroom straight up ahead. And so we wanted to capture the amazing views of the location, hence the reason why we placed the private study as an overhang over the ground floor balcony facing the front end of the property. Once again, I'd like to thank everyone for watching our videos. Kindly do subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and push the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos that we put out. Now I'm just gonna capture the floating staircase once again from this angle.